The IMUSA 8in Bistro Aluminum Nonstick Fry Pan is a great little helper in the kitchen. It's perfect for cooking small meals. Think of it as your trusty sidekick for whipping up a quick breakfast or a single serving of your favorite dish. The non-stick surface is like a superhero, preventing your food from sticking. This makes cooking easier, and cleaning up is a breeze. You won't have to spend ages scrubbing away burnt bits. Plus, the cool touch handle is a thoughtful touch. It stays comfortable in your hand, so you don't need to worry about accidental burns. The IMUSA 8in Bistro Aluminum Nonstick Fry Pan is a simple yet effective tool for everyday cooking. This IMUSA 8in Bistro Aluminum Nonstick Fry Pan is made from aluminum. Aluminum helps the pan heat up quickly and evenly. This means your food cooks better without hot spots. The black color gives it a sleek and simple look that will fit into any kitchen. It's not a fancy, high-end pan, but it gets the job done reliably. For those of us who appreciate practicality without fuss, this pan is a solid choice. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, which is great if you don't want a heavy pan weighing down your wrist while it might not be part of the latest kitchen trends. Its functionality makes it a timeless essential, unlike some fleeting kitchen devices. Overall, the IMUSA 8in Bistro Aluminum Nonstick Fry Pan is a good value for its price. It's a basic but useful pan for small cooking tasks. If you're looking for a no-nonsense nonstick pan for everyday use, this could be it. Just remember to treat the nonstick surface gently. Avoid using metal utensils, and wash it with mild soap and a soft sponge. This will help your IMUSA 8in Bistro Aluminum Nonstick Fry Pan last longer. It might not cook a whole filet mignon perfectly, but for eggs, pancakes, or stir-frying small portions, it's a dependable little pan to add to your list of kitchen essentials, even if you have a whole set of pots and pans already. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, uses less oil, lightweight, heats up fast, good for eggs. Good for one person, affordable price, cool touch handle, versatile for quick meals. Cons: not oven safe, not dishwasher safe, handle may be heavy, poor quality reported, may taste chemical, coating not durable, can warp easily, uneven heating possible, not induction ready. Features: 8-inch size, aluminum made, non-stick surface, cool touch handle, black color, lightweight, durable, easy to clean, heats quickly, versatile use. This IMUSA 8-in black frying pan is made from aluminum, which makes it lightweight and helps it heat up quickly. It has a non-stick surface, so food won't stick, and it's easy to clean after you're done cooking. The handle is designed to stay cool while you're using it, making it safer to hold. This pan is also durable, so it should last for a while, and it's versatile enough to use for cooking many different kinds of food. This IMUSA 8-in fry pan is made of aluminum and has a non-stick surface, so food doesn't stick and it's easy to clean. You can use less oil when you cook, and the pan heats up quickly. It's light, good for cooking eggs or small meals for one person, and it's not too expensive. The handle stays cool to the touch. However, you can't put it in the oven or dishwasher. Some people have said the pan is not very good quality. The handle might feel heavy. It could give food a chemical taste. The non-stick coating might not last long, and it could warp or heat unevenly. Also, it won't work on induction stoves.